Good day everyone, my name is Harami Alquizola. I will share to you about what is pattern. So what is pattern? Pattern, it is a thing that is repeated or recurring arrangement, form, or a design following a rule or a sequence. So these are the most common classification patterns in nature. The symmetry, fractal, spiral, and tessellation. So first, we will tackle about symmetry. Symmetry, it is a pattern that shows reflection of images. This is one of the example of symmetry. So these plants is an example of symmetry. So our next common classification patterns in nature is fractal patterns. So fractal patterns, it is a pattern which repeats at progressively smaller sizes and angles. This is an example of fractal patterns. So next common classification patterns in nature is spiral patterns. So what is spiral patterns? So spiral patterns, it is a pattern that moves around at a central point and continuously widening. This is one of the example of spiral patterns. So another example of spiral pattern is the mosquito coil. So this is another example of spiral patterns. So our next common classification patterns in nature is the tessellation pattern. So what is tessellation patterns? So tessellation patterns, it is a pattern that repeats figures closely fitting together with no gaps in between. So this is an example of tessellation pattern. Another example of tessellation pattern. Another example of tessellation pattern is this. So thank you for watching. God bless and keep safe. Bye.